Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are doing a memory spread for the week of, oh, why does this always happen? I never know. Let me look real quick. Okay, it is October the 18th through the 24th. I should really write it down on my things, my little notes, but I always forget. All right, anyway, I've got a super cute photography kit and it's foiled from Sadie Stickers. It's called Trick or Treat. It's so cute. It's got rose gold foil on it. I'm really excited about this. This is my first time using, maybe like the second time using the little add-on sheet, so I'm excited about that too. So here are the full boxes. So cute. I love her strategic foiling. And then we got a functional page with some icons at the top. Everything's foiled. And then more functional things here and some little decorative bits. And then the bottom washi is so cool this time. I think it's really, really cool. I like it a lot. And date covers, all that jazz. Okay. And then, of course, the little deco sheet to add on, which I think is fun. I'm going to grab also my rose gold foil. So we've got this little binder. I've also got my Hello Fall little sticker binder too. Sticker book? I don't know what to call this. Album. That's the word. Okay, so I think we're ready to get started. I don't have a ton of pictures this week, so there may be more journaling this week. Also, I can add in some of these things. So let's get started. All right, I'm going to start with the bottom washi, of course, and lay down these two strips. I love the combo with this kit of kind of the plainer washi with the foiling. It's just like so pretty, and I really love that green color. It's beautiful. And then I'm just going to pull some numbers. I decided to go into my fall album, and I found these also from Sadie Stickers, the rose gold pumpkins, which are so cute. They're from last year. I really have not been buying a lot of foil lately. I haven't just like abandoned it or anything. I just like haven't been doing it. I don't know. It just hasn't been drawing my interest as much, but I do kind of want to get back into it a little bit. So I'll have to keep an eye out on the $2 Tuesdays and start kind of incorporating that again. And then I'm just laying down these decorative headers. I decided to go for these because they were kind of bold and they were really pretty. They have like this little polka dot pattern on them, which is cute. I just wanted something a little bit different. And the date covers are like that tan color, so I wanted something to kind of contrast with that. I have found with this planner that laying it on its side, even for the date covers sometimes, it just helps with lining things up if you're struggling with that. So I'm just finishing up putting the date covers down, and then I'm going to move on to the sidebar. So I'm pulling out my label stickers, my abbreviated month scripts, and pulling the October one, the rose gold version, and just popping that up at the top. And then I'm laying down a couple of full boxes for the sidebar, which if you've never seen my memory plan with me, this is my journaling section, and I finish it at the end. And then I'm adding just a little bit of these florals. I just think they're so pretty, and this kit's just super fun. And then this label, I'm just going to write this week on it. Okay, moving on to Monday. So I'm going to grab one of these scallop boxes, scallops, we'll just call them scallops. And I'm laying that down, and then I'm just going to mark on that I had a breakthrough on a work project, and it was a very busy day. I popped in this fox and cactus ghost. They're so cute. And I just have been trying to figure out what the problem was with this one program we have, and I figured it out finally. So that was awesome. It totally made the week like start off on the right foot. And then just popping into my videos for this week. I only did 2. I just kind of needed a little bit of a break. And so I just did one plan with me and one memory plan with me. Okay, underneath that scallop, I put in that I did 12 minutes on the rowing machine today. And I'm trying to work this in multiple times a week. So I recently got a rowing machine. I can't shut up about it because I love it so much. I do have to be kind of careful. Like, I can't do it too much during the week because my elbow kind of like starts to ache a little bit, but it's been really good. It's kind of just given a little bit of just a little variety into my workouts. Okay, I just laid down a bunch of full boxes, and I really wanted to use a lot of full boxes this week. So I just pulled in a bunch of them to start, so I knew that I had room for them. And then I just cut down this full box on Monday. I wanted to use that box, but I just didn't have the full room for it. And then I popped in this candle from Crafty Banana to mark in that Colin Powell passed away this day. And I just wanted to kind of note that. I like to note big things that happen. If I think about them all day, things like that, I'll note them in my memory planner. Okay, then on Tuesday, I put in this meme that says, when it's morning and people are using words and expecting things from me. I'm not a morning person. I'm definitely a night owl. Who goes to bed early, by the way? I'm just like, that kind of in the middle kind of person, but I do love nighttime. That's my productive time. And then on this half box, I'm putting in a little cat ghost that's like scared. And I almost ran out of gas this day. I got down to like 8 miles on my little counter little thingy. I don't know why I do that. I just like want to see how far I can get. I should not be doing that, but they built a new gas station like right by my house, so I popped over there and filled up. And then I put in a poor little pepper sticker at the bottom to mark in that I read forever this night. Like, excuse me, I read for like more than an hour, which is not like me because I have a short attention span. But I also went for a walk this day, it was just a beautiful day, and wanted to use that time and energy toward getting outside. And then on Wednesday, I have a picture of my kids finishing up their little aqueduct project. They had to work together, which is not their strong suit. They're all kind of bossy, but they did a really good job on it, and they worked together for the most part. And then I also went and talked to my friend Brandon. He's principal on another campus. I had to get some advice from him, and he always has really good advice for me. We had a planner club meeting that afternoon as well. So lots of good things happening this week, even though it was, it had some moments. And then I put this Welcome to Texas meme at the top of Thursday because it's just that time of the year where it's just crazy weather. And then on the blue, I'm putting in a bunch of little like quotes and stuff that I wanted to be sure to remember that really like spoke to me this week. That's another thing I like to include in my memory spreads. But on the blue label, I marked in that our insurance is going down, which is so nice. It cut in more than half, which is so nice, with the same benefits. So I don't know why. I'm just really grateful for it. Although I have totally met my deductible like way back in like March or something. So I should probably be taking advantage of that and doing anything that I need to get done, but I can't think of anything. And then I also finished my deep cleaning of my living room. Or no, was it my laundry room? Yeah, it was my laundry room. I'm trying to deep clean one room every month just as kind of maintenance, and that's been working out really well. Unfortunately, this weekend, I had a headache like the whole time. It never got to like migraine level, but it just like lingered the whole weekend. And I know why. It was, that time of the month, but it was just kind of annoying. And then on Friday, I woke up and my thermostat had broken. So I made an appointment and they weren't able to get me in until the next week, but they got it done on Monday, which is really nice. I also had the worst cramps. Like, I'm getting into debilitating territory with these things, but I do have an appointment in January, so we're gonna have a discussion about the changes that have been happening because it's a little intense. And then I ordered pizza for the first time in forever because I just wanted to, and it was delicious and I loved it. And I just have a note here that I can't help what my uterus wants or what it demands. Demands is the word. And then below that, I just caught up on Law and Order SVU and Organized Crime. Organized Crime is not my favorite. I don't know how much longer I'm going to watch it. I just can't get into the storylines. I don't know. But Law and Order SVU is my jam. And then on Saturday, I have this little burnout kind of picture here. And I kind of had a no day this day. If you don't know what that is, I learned about it from Moxie Life. You just like don't do anything that day. You just say no to everything and just yes to whatever you want to do. And so I stayed in my PJs the whole entire day. I couldn't deal. And I really, really needed that. I'm really glad I did that. I also watched Lock and Key. I was like binging it. Really good. I liked it a lot. It's fun. And then on Sunday, I was feeling a lot better. So I wanted to note that. And then I just like felt like it. So I dyed my hair and I just went like a couple shades darker, which was kind of fun. And then in my journaling section over here, I'm just noting that I lost steam. I put a lot, okay, but I caught it after I finished filming and I fixed it. But I lost steam there at the end, but it was a good one overall. So it was a good week. It was good. And I need to find some projects. I'm getting a little bored, and that's in reference to work. I like to be busy at work, and I was just getting a little bit slower. And my favorite moment of the week was my restful Saturday. Definitely needed that. Here's this week all finished up. It turned out so cute, and we've got a little bit of shine in there, which is fun. I have been wanting to do more foil in this planner, so this is a perfect spread for that. I could probably add some more different elements, like some little things, but I think it's good as it is. I like it a lot. It's not overpowering, and it's still cute. I love the bottom washi elements. It's adorable, and I love this box so much. Oh, so cute. I hope that you enjoyed this memory plan with me. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!